The worm was first seen in Barbados in 2021. Dr. Kirk Douglas says it's leech-like in appearance and can grow to a foot in length.
The formal name is called the hammerhead flatworm. It's of the scientific genus Bipalium or Bipedium. Yeah. And so they are large predatory land planarians. And what that means is that these particular animals, invertebrates, they prey on other invertebrates such as snails and earthworms. So they are not going to harm humans directly.
Found in damp areas of the garden or fields, they can carry diseases which are harmful to humans.
There is a possibility that some of them might be infected with a particular parasite called Angiostrongylus cantonensis, also known as the rat lungworm, and this can cause meningitis, eosinophilic meningitis in humans. So not the worm itself, but in some cases, if it's carrying and it's infected with the parasite and persons are exposed to it, then they increase the risk of them contracting that disease.
Dr. Douglas says the important thing to note is the pest should not be touched or cut into pieces.
You do not handle it with your bare hands or your bare feet, and if you're outside, just be careful, vigilant. Check your shoes and the regular, sanitary practices that you would practice. Perhaps not wearing shoes inside the house, those types of stuff, and playing in the dirt. For kids, especially young kids, because they like to put their hands in their mouths. What the worm does is actually can vomit the contents of its stomach, and that can cause a little irritation. So just be, careful with them. They're not anything to fear in particular, but like any other pest, to be wary, vigilant, and know how to reduce any risk of potential exposure.
Experts believe the pest, which is native to Florida, arrived through horticultural trade.